If you're looking for a convenient and efficient way to stay active during your workday or unwind with light cardio at home, the under-desk treadmill with 2.5 HP motor and 265 pounds weight capacity is a smart investment in your health and productivity. Designed with versatility in mind, this low-noise walking pad fits perfectly under most standing desks, making it ideal for both home offices and corporate environments. Whether you're walking during conference calls or getting steps in while binge-watching a show, its whisper-quiet motor ensures minimal disruption to your surroundings. The 2.5 HP motor delivers consistent power for walking, jogging, and light running, supporting users up to 265 pounds. The built-in LED display keeps track of your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, so you can monitor your progress in real time without needing extra devices. A wireless remote control lets you easily adjust speed settings or pause your workout without stopping what you're doing. Perfect for seamless transitions between work and exercise. One of the standout features is its adjustable incline functionality, which allows you to intensify your workouts and better engage different muscle groups, especially useful for burning more calories in a shorter period. The treadmill's slim profile and portable design mean it can be rolled away and stored flat under a sofa or bed when not in use, making it ideal for small apartments or shared office spaces. The shock-absorbing tread belt reduces joint impact, making it safer and more comfortable for extended use. Whether your goal is to improve posture, increase daily activity levels, or simply reduce sedentary time, using this under-desk treadmill for an hour can burn up to 250 to 350 calories depending on your speed and incline, while improving circulation and focus. The under-desk treadmill with 2.5 HP motor and 265 pounds capacity is a versatile fitness solution ideal for home or office use, especially for those who want to stay active while working or in limited space environments. Designed for walking, light jogging, and even running, this walking pad treadmill operates quietly thanks to its low-noise motor, making it perfect for shared or quiet spaces. The 2.5 HP motor provides steady, reliable performance for extended use, while the incline feature offers an extra challenge to engage more muscle groups and boost calorie burned. It features a durable, shock-absorbing belt that helps protect joints during exercise, and its slim, space-saving design allows it to fit under most desks or be stored away easily when not in use. The integrated LED display keeps track of essential workout metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping users stay informed and motivated. Control is simple and convenient with the included remote control, allowing quick speed adjustments and power toggling without interrupting your routine. Whether you're walking during meetings or getting in steps between tasks,